Did you know that a lot of people, they are more fearful about recording videos on camera than anything else? In fact, there are some people who also fear speaking in public even more than fearing death itself. So in this particular video, just to make it fun, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how you can improve your confidence on camera. And if you're ready to learn, just type ready to learn in the comment box. Okay, so let's get started.
Give it up for Siddharth Rajshekar!
So see, the biggest problem today is that a lot of people, they have the knowledge, they have the skills, but they do not know how to communicate that through camera. They feel nervous, they feel, about what other people think about them, and they get stuck in all these different ideologies. Okay. So, but the solution to that problem is these 5 things which I'm going to share with you. Okay. So the first thing is perceptions. All of you type perceptions in the comment box. If you can overcome the perceptions that you have about yourself, and if you can overcome the perceptions that other people have about you, you can increase your confidence on camera. So what do I mean by this? A lot of people don't want to get on camera because they are too worried about what others think about them. But just keep this in mind. If you are so worried about what others think about you, you need to understand that those same people are thinking about what others think about them. So actually they don't care. Okay, and even if they do care, it does not make any difference to your life. So just relax. Okay, I want you to build a positive perception first, that getting on camera and recording videos will actually inspire and impact others, and it's actually going to serve them more than anything else. Okay, and I'll love to say this: whenever you feel nervous, think about service. So don't worry about what other people think about you. That's the first point. The second point is, if you want to improve your confidence on camera, you got to know your topic. Okay, and confidence comes through having knowledge on your subject matter. Okay, so knowledge on subject matter, it comes through practice, it comes through experience. And there are some people who just like to learn and teach, but those who are able to learn, implement and teach, they have a much deeper understanding of the topic. So even the confidence will come through in their videos. So practicing more and actually implementing the knowledge what you're teaching will help you improve your confidence on camera. The third one is practice. I do not know how many hours a day Sachin Tendulkar was practicing in the nets right through his career in his game. I'm sure he would have practiced like insane. And even I get inspiration from even our age-old ancient scripture. We have like people like Arjuna, and Dronacharya loved Arjuna because he used to practice even in the dark. He used to practice his archery even in the dark, and that was his level of commitment to his craft and his art form. So if you want to get good at videos, don't just record 1 or 2 videos and then if no one is responding to it, you just give up. No, you got to keep doing it and practice more and more and more. You'll get better at it. Okay, so the third way to improve your confidence on camera is to practice more. Number 4, this is like a super tip that I want to give you. This is a technique, it's an NLP technique, it's a neuro-linguistic programming technique. It's called anchoring. It's where you can anchor yourself to the past, to a moment where you had great confidence, you invoke that same energy into your body, and then you start recording video. For example, if in the past you have won an award on stage, where everybody is appreciating you and you had this adrenaline rush in your body while receiving that award, and you really felt that power in you, I want you to close your eyes, go to that specific moment, get into that body at that point of time, feel that energy, invoke that energy into you, and you set that intention before you record a video that this is exactly the energy that I'm feeling right now. Now you may not be able to have that exact same feeling that you had when you won that award, but when you're able to anchor using this technique, close your eyes, set an intention before you record a video, trust me, your confidence on camera will go through the roof. Why? Because you have, instead of dwelling in your nervousness, you are now dwelling and you're invoking the energy of confidence. And it's actually an energy of accomplishment and an achievement which you're bringing into you. Okay, so this is also a very cool tip. And finally, the last one is the fifth tip that I want to tell you, if you want to get better at doing videos, if you want to increase your confidence in front of camera, is look at how you are on camera. Like whenever I see my videos, I'm able to notice some of my body language. Okay, sometimes I look more on this side, I look at this side, I look up, down, and the more and more I look at my videos, I'm able to look at some patterns of what I keep doing or what I keep saying. And the next time I do the video, either I improve that in case something is, it's not what I like, I improve it the next time. And if something that I really liked about it, I do more of that. So it is a constant game of improvement by evaluating your own videos. So here are the 5 tips to help you get more confidence in front of camera. And if you found this useful, please share in the comment box useful. And also, out of these 5 tips, which are your top 3 tips that you're going to incorporate immediately to record your video? In fact, I want you to make a commitment to recording a video within the next 2 hours and posting it out there on social media after watching this video. Are you ready for that? Just type ready and let's see if you do it. All the best.